Hello. Back for another game. I'm gonna give shoutouts later on in the video. Not right now. But if you're watching and... No, that's the wrong one. Nope. Okay. Ready to work? Look at the flapping monsters in front of me too. Next time. Or once I die or whatever. That comes. I'm gonna shield bash this next guy. Shield bash right in the face. Yeah! So much. Don't you dare kill me right here. No! Why don't you avoid? Wait, the museum? Okay, Clover. There we go. Money. Yes, coupon! Shop. Free coupon. I think I might not want to do this time. Oh, hi, Sam. So I was hanging out on the couch with me. I got a muffin. Okay. Go to hero. Okay, shoutouts to P-Man 10,000, Jason, Maddox, and Josh. Okay, now I'm gonna show you guys this one that I think I might have beaten off camera. Let's for sure. Stunned for not too long. Die! Sick bat. Ow! Stop it, mate! Die! Oh, not kill me. Ow! Stop it! Oh! That really should have hit me, to be honest with you. Oh, that is so wrong. That seriously should hit me. That should hit me because the dodge doesn't really work. Muffin. Ah. I go. A muffin. Good. Let me show you the armory. Just upgraded off camera. Got this. Look, you see this right here? This weapon right here.
Yeah, I got something to tell you.
Wait. You see this spear? No. I think it might be the third. Yeah, look, he's holding one. What in the world does that mean? Oh! I just one-shotted him.
I'm sorry. Who's
Let's go sit back and watch. I don't need to touch anything. Collect the money once again. That's gonna lower him down. There you go. This is what I do off camera. I'm just doing this off camera all day. Whenever I'm playing, I'm doing this. Oh yeah. You wanna tell me?
Take that.
Huh. Oh, about that good old damage. Okay. No, I just did that. Money! About that money. Okay, let's see if I can just watch this happen. Right, mosquito. Oh my gosh. Oh my. Yo! Oh! Come on, mosquito. Ow! Stop it. Mosquito level 12. Sick bat level 13 is very well known as dead. Giant fly. Oh, that didn't do much damage. Oh my gosh, I didn't take any damage from the king. There we go. I did good. Oh, it's in the museum. Clover, give me the money. Oh, just damage potion. Trophies, statues. Oh yeah, look at this. I can take no damage while doing this. This first one, I can just, Oh yeah, look what I found. There's a skull right here that says new. There. King Mosquito.
Hey, Dallas.
Hey, you. Sally's right here behind me.
Hello. Sally.
We done it. For the second round. I'm gonna do all the ones that I am in the trio. Stop it! Mardo. King Bandit. Watch this. This is just sad. I have like 5-6 times the health. Okay, 3. The village guards. 4 next. And then 5. Give me a movie right here. Okay. Absolutely wrecked. No damage again. Leave in the comments for my next video if you want to see how to get the secret trophies that I have. Ow! Axe to the face. That's a lot. Before I do that, go over, grab the money. Yes, coupon. Lemon shop. What should I coupon this for? I'm gonna get another fireball. I'll have a lightning. Oh, you see that guy right there? That's okay. I'll just show you the secret trophies right now that I have. I don't have many. Okay, so let's see trophies, secrets, family time, 10 hours of training, 1 minute at home, some extra gold. Well, this one I don't know how I got it. I think I just spent a minute in the home area. And this guy, you click on him. He's at the shop. This. Yeah, you go in here. Free gold. That's how you get it. You don't get much money. You only get 2,000. Just 2 little silver coins. Not that much. But, yeah. So, that's all I really have to do here. Oh, there's that critical that I unlocked. Ah!
Wow. That was awesome. Well, guys, done 4 attempts.
I'm really good at the accuracy. I don't know why. Okay, go back. I'm going back so I can show you the 5th in the arena. The Flapping Monsters. This is my best try on the next one. Yeah, you dead, son. I don't have as much as you. I thought I had more. Ha! No damage. I'm gonna shield bash you in the face. Poison stab you. Ow! Stop it! Double slice you. Come on, critical him. Right here. This should kill him. Fireball you. Lightning. Lightning next. Come on. Go for the kill. Yes! That's a lot of money. Well, let's just take a second to admire that money. That was insane. Put more into the damage. There. Museum. Give you. I have 3 clovers. Wait, what? Oh, I got a picture. Oh, yes. Boom! Bringing in the money. Oh, you need a lot to upgrade. Ugh, that was weird. What in the world? Man, I'm honestly mind-blown that I got that kill. There we go, 4. Max on these things, so okay, maxed on those. They're weird. What did I have? Okay, this, yeah. I'm really bad at the dodge. Let's just see what this next one's gonna be like. I'm gonna double slice this next guy. I have more health than him. He doesn't. A really good amount of damage, to be honest with you. We have the same weapons. Oh, and the shield bash. And then the poison whack on this next guy. No. Don't you dare. No. Don't kill me. Yo. Die! Another fireball. Oh my gosh, there's so much health. This is unreal.